Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. In the same way that magnetic fields are invisible, so too are social fields. We can infer where the magnetic fields are by sprinkling iron filings to reveal their presence and shape. We can reveal social fields by listening. But there are different levels of listening depending on where you are listening from. Imagine you're a closed circle and the center of your listening is represented by a bold dot in the middle of that circle. Everything you hear is a projection of yourself and there's not much learning opportunity. Now move that dot to a position on the circumference of the circle. You're still thoroughly connected to your point of view and will reference what you hear against your deeply held mental model. The disconfirming data that you now experience from your vantage point at the edge of the field will compel you to challenge your assumptions. Imagine now that the boundary has become permeable and that you have stepped outside of it. You are listening, in a manner of speaking, from the shoes of the other. This is the place where you open your heart, practice empathic listening, and consider other points of view. Finally, imagine that the whole construct of the circle as you and the dot in it transcends the definition of you and me, and the listening becomes deeply present to a sense of us. This is the field where you've become a generative dynamo, relaxed and present to the moment-by-moment unfolding of being and becoming. It's where deep work happens. It's where the remarkable lives. Cultivate your awareness of the social fields you inhabit and unlock the door to the remarkable. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.